Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to find trending ideas fast with Gemini AI and Google Trends. This is helpful if you want to find ideas for your business, especially if you're a student who is coming out from school and you don't know which type of business to enter. This is helpful because Google Trends have integrated Gemini AI into their feature in order to make things easier. Now here first is how to generate ideas using Gemini AI in Google Trends. Now here what you do now is to click on this three line icon on the top side here. Now click on explore here, and now here on the search board you can see search term. Now here, instead of using this search term, maybe you don't know the right keyword to search for the business. Now what you do here is to click on this icon here. Now here it will bring you here. This is Gemini inside Google Trends. Now here what you do now is to explain what you want to find a keyword for, like this. Here I'm going to ask it, let me type it and then explain. Now here, this is what I type: best electric scooter business out there for a startup. Now here what you do now is to click on find terms here, click on it. Now here you will see the search term, which is the keyword here. You can see it, spin by, you can see many keywords scooter. You can see here as many as keywords. Now here also you can see on here suggestion terms, which is the suggestion keyword, which you can also use here. Also here you can check it out by clicking on it like this. You can either edit it by clicking on this edit. I am using smartphone in order to show you guys this, but the process is still the same on your desktop. Just if you are using smartphone, what you do is just click on this red line icon and just select desktop site here. The process is still the same. Now here what you do now is to, now here you can edit it by clicking on this edit. You can search for it by clicking on this search here. Now here let me switch to landscape in order to show you this more. Now here you can see it. You can search for reach. You can edit it like this and click on it. You can see here, edit it how you want it to be, and click on the done icon. Now here you can see the high search keyword. But now here also, here on the down section where it says interest over time and also average interest, here on the average interest is where you will see the highest ranking one, and here on the interest over time is where you will see the formation based on the graphical formation. Now here also you can change the country and know the best ranking keyword based on the country you selected here like this. Now select the country here, or you can just search for it here. You can see here. Now what you do now is to click on search on your keyboard and search for it, or click on this search icon here. Now here click on the location you selected, which is the country you selected here, and know the best ranking keywords on it. Now here you can see the best ranking keyword on interest over time. You can see it here, and also in the average interest you can see here the best ranking one here. And now here also you can change the past year, which is the year here, by clicking on this here. Select the year here, the year you want to know the best ranking keyword on. Now here also you can also check the web search based on the best ranking keyword by clicking on this icon. You can search for it based on image here by clicking on image search. Here you can find the YouTube search for it. If you are looking for keyword for YouTube, you can here click on YouTube search for the keyword and make a video on it here by clicking on this YouTube search. Now here on the top query, here on the down section here, now here you can find the YouTube search based on the keyword you ask for, or based on the topic you ask for, or based on the problem you ask for. Here you can find the YouTube search. Here you can find the ranking one with the highest rank here. Here you can know the high interest and also the changes based on demand here, which is the ranking. Here also on the three line icon here, you can also search for it here and search for it or explore on it. Now here also you can also find this rising query. Here you can find a topic that has breakout. Here you can find the breakout topics. You can also find the higher ranking ones also here and make a video on it. But also know that this is helpful if you want to use it as an idea for a topic, or to know how to place a topic on YouTube, and also to know how to place your business on YouTube by analyzing this here. Here you can see the breakouts, you can see the ranking ones, you can see the high interest, which is the more demanding one. Also, you can know the difference by their increased demand color here, which is the blue color. You can know their demands, and then make a video that is related to it, or start a business that is related to the topic, or know the best demand on a business that is related to the topic people are searching for on Google Trends, or people are demanding for on Google Trends. Now here you can start a business or create a content based on the research trend here, either by searching it or by using the Gemini integrated feature here, this icon here, and ask what you need. Or instead of looking for the keyword on Google Trend, what you will do is just here say the topic, say the problem, or say how you want the topic to be. Here, let me type it and then explain. Now here you can see what I asked here. I don't know the keyword for this topic, but here I've just asked it for Gemini integrated feature inside this Google Trend to explain it here. Now here I will click on find the search terms here. And here also you can see the keywords here, which you can see ChatGPT, you can see Sora, you can see as many keywords here. Now here on the entrance over time, you can also see the demand, the best one the people are looking for here. Now here on the average interest, you can see ChatGPT, which has the highest rank. Now here you can also check the graph and know the one that is reading on the highest rank on the graph. Here you can see the highest rank on the graph here. This is just an idea to work with or to use as your keyword in order to get the best result in your YouTube video or in your market field. Here, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the playlist in order to know everything on Google AI and Google AI Studio. Now see you there and have a great day. Peace.